Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is opening up to universe. This is where the universe has a message for you, an upgrade, a download. It's time to go into your prayer life, meditation life, go out into the elements and just feel the natural energy. Open yourself up for the answers that are coming towards your direction. So ask for wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. Ask for the things that the spirit wants you to learn at this moment, and be open, have a teachable spirit, and be willing to hear and then act. It'll take you to the next level. I'm discovering my worth and my abilities. I had a confidence in my value and in my gifts. I reclaim my inner power. I accept love for myself completely. Thus, I am open to the light of the universe, and you excel. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.